Hi! In front of me is Lenovo 10e Chromebook, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by accessing devices settings and scrolling all the way down to access advanced section. Now click on languages and input. Select inputs and keyboards. And finally tap on your input method. Now to enable or disable autocorrection in your physical keyboard, tap on this switcher next to it. If you wish to manage it in your on-screen keyboard, select this switcher instead to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!